Hello guys. Today we can see a Bricks AI. It can create a meaningful raw data insights into a like slides and charts. See, I am clicking on this one and I am attaching my file like this data, and I want create revenue, cost, PAT means profit after tax, all metrics with charts and all data insights. So I'm after that it is clicking on this one. So that it is again asking import file, upload it is asking. So I am again uploading financials. See, this can take a minute or 2 minutes. You can ask charts also. Try referencing tables in your prompt. See, it is showing I am still working on your request, and send all charts to dashboard and expect. See, here it is created revenue by unit, profit after tax by unit, and PAT by unit. So region wise, top region, top revenue by unit, and see, it is referencing tables in your points, existing revenue by unit chart to sort units by descending total revenue. So I am as aspecting this one so that it will create. See here, the profit after tax per unit, revenue by unit, it is created. After that, see, we can just export. See, it is asking PNG, JPG, and PDF. So if you want to edit, you can edit also. See, this is bar chart. Suppose if you want to change to this horizontal bars also, it is coming. So we can change like this. This is how Bricks AI will create a raw data into meaningful insights. Thank you friends. Please subscribe channel for more videos.